Hi, I'm Nick. Welcome back to Technic channel. Today we have something special for you. Yes, it's not the Pro one, but still pretty good. You've seen this test before, but in this case it's not working very good. Okay, it's dropping now. We already unboxed this with the courier to be sure. See how I can take it out. So what do we have here? We have manuals, the cable USB-C, and the charger for Europe. Looks like someone changed this for us. If it was Apple, we don't know. So let's put it here in main front. Let's see if that opening works like it should. Yes, the table is a bit squeaky, and yes, everything is okay. Perfect screen, perfect keyboard. Let's peel this off. Okay, we are going to go with English.
Press the return key.
I don't really know where the return it is on this keyboard. Maybe we'll set it up later. But let me show what we have here for it. It's a case. It's not for a Air Special, but I think
Contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver. If you know how to use VoiceOver, press Command F5.
yes, Siri is speaking a lot. So we also have this inside.
Press the escape key.
Escape key. Okay. We have this. I don't think this will work with this Mac Air. It's a lot bigger, a bit bigger. It's from an older Mac. Throw it away for now. But let me show you something special. Remember our old blinking laptop? Well, this is the Mac. And this is the old laptop. Check that out. That's pretty big, if you can see. It's almost like the screen of this laptop. Try to open them without destroying them. Let me show you this. Yeah, fan noise pretty loud. Let's test this one. A bit trouble opening it. Let me show you the difference. Let me put these two side by side. Yeah, what do you think now? And I think you can hear the noise from the HP laptop. Okay, I will set it up and thank you for watching.